Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of The Science Spotlight. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling underwater adventure to explore the captivating realms of oceanography and marine biology. Let's dive deep into the ocean's mysteries, from the tiniest plankton to the giant blue whales. This video is perfect for all educated age groups, so grab your scuba gear and join us as we discover the wonders beneath the waves. 1. Oceanography, the science of the sea. Oceanography is a fascinating branch of earth science that studies the ocean, its processes, and the organisms that call it home. But did you know that oceanography is further divided into 4 subdisciplines? Let's take a quick look at each one. Biological oceanography. Scientists study marine life, their behaviors, and their interactions with the ocean environment. It is closely related to marine biology, which we'll talk about in more detail later. Chemical oceanography. This subdiscipline examines the chemical composition of seawater and how it influences marine organisms and ecosystems. It also helps us understand the effects of pollution and climate change on our oceans. Geological oceanography. This field investigates the geology of the ocean floor, including its formation, structure, and history. It plays a critical role in understanding plate tectonics, earthquakes, and volcanic activity. Physical oceanography. This study focuses on the ocean's physical properties and processes, such as currents, waves, and tides. It is essential for predicting weather patterns and understanding climate change. Now that we've tasted what oceanography is all about, let's dive deeper into the mesmerizing world of marine biology. 2.0 Marine Biology, exploring life beneath the waves. Marine biology is the study of life in the ocean, from microscopic plankton to the colossal blue whale. The ocean is home to an astonishing array of organisms, many still waiting to be discovered. Let's explore some of the most beautiful marine habitats and the incredible creatures that inhabit them. 2.1 Coral reefs, the rainforests of the sea. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because of their incredible biodiversity. They support over 25% of all marine life, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. Colonies of tiny animals called corals form these vibrant underwater ecosystems. They secrete calcium carbonate skeletons, eventually creating the current complex structures. Corals rely on a symbiotic relationship with microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. The algae provide essential nutrients to the corals through photosynthesis, while the corals offer the algae a safe place to live. This delicate balance is crucial for the survival of the entire coral reef ecosystem. Coral reefs are home to thousands of species, from colorful fish and invertebrates to apex predators like sharks. They play a vital role in maintaining the health of the oceans and providing food and livelihoods for millions of people worldwide. Sadly, these fragile ecosystems are threatened by climate change, overfishing, and pollution. Protecting them is essential for countless marine species' survival and our planet's well-being. 2.2 The Deep Sea, a journey into darkness. As we descend deeper into the ocean, we enter a realm of darkness and mystery, the deep sea. This vast and largely unexplored environment is home to some of Earth's most bizarre and fascinating creatures. Sunlight is almost non-existent at these depths, and the pressure is immense. As a result, life here must adapt to extreme conditions, resulting in some genuinely unique adaptations. For example, many deep-sea organisms produce their light through bioluminescence. This can be used for communication, attracting prey, or even as a defense mechanism. The anglerfish is a perfect example of bioluminescence in action. This eerie-looking predator uses a glowing lure, dangling from a modified dorsal fin to attract unsuspecting prey into its cavernous mouth. Other deep-sea creatures, such as the vampire squid and the goblin shark, also boast remarkable adaptations to thrive in this harsh environment. Scientists are continually making discoveries in the deep sea, shedding light on the incredible biodiversity that exists even in the darkest corners of our planet. Mangroves, coastal guardians. Mangroves are unique coastal ecosystems found in the tropics and subtropics. They consist of salt-tolerant trees and shrubs that thrive in the intertidal zones where land meets the sea. These remarkable plants have evolved specialized adaptations, such as aerial roots and salt-excreting leaves, to survive in their challenging environment. Mangrove forests provide essential habitats for a multitude of marine and terrestrial species. They serve as nurseries for fish, crustaceans, and mollusks, offering shelter and nesting sites for birds, mammals, and reptiles. In addition, mangroves play a critical role in stabilizing coastlines, protecting them from erosion and storm surges. These coastal ecosystems also help combat climate change by storing vast amounts of carbon in their sediments, known as blue carbon. However, mangrove forests are under threat from deforestation, coastal development, and pollution. Conserving these vital ecosystems is crucial for the health of our oceans and the countless species that depend on them. 3. Marine conservation, safeguarding our seas. As we've seen, our oceans are teeming with life and play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. However, they also face numerous threats, including overfishing, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. As a result, it's now more important than ever to protect and preserve our marine ecosystems. Marine conservation efforts take many forms, from establishing protected areas and implementing sustainable fishing practices to reducing plastic pollution and promoting ecotourism. By raising awareness and supporting these initiatives, we can all play a part in ensuring the health and vitality of our oceans for future generations. Let's explore some examples of successful marine conservation projects that have made a real difference. 3.1 The Great Barrier Reef, a conservation success story. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the world's most extensive coral reef system, stretching over 1,400 miles, 2,300 kilometers. It's home to a staggering variety of marine life and is considered one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Recently, the reef has faced numerous threats, including coral bleaching caused by climate change, pollution, and overfishing. In response, the Australian government implemented a comprehensive conservation plan involving strict fishing regulations, water quality improvement initiatives, and large-scale coral restoration projects. These efforts have resulted in significant improvements in the health of the Great Barrier Reef, showcasing the power of dedicated conservation initiatives in protecting and preserving our ocean's wonders. Project Seahorse, saving seahorses and their habitats. Seahorses are among the most enchanting and fascinating creatures in the ocean. With their horse-like heads and prehensile tails, these tiny fish are a favorite among divers and marine enthusiasts. However, seahorses face numerous threats, such as habitat destruction and overfishing for traditional medicine and the aquarium trade. Project Seahorse, an international marine conservation organization, has worked tirelessly to protect seahorses and their habitats since 1996. Their efforts include establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable fishing practices, and raising awareness through education and outreach programs. Thanks to the dedicated work of Project Seahorse and its partners, seahorse populations and their habitats have seen significant improvements, highlighting the potential for targeted conservation efforts to make a lasting impact. (4) Inspiring the next generation of ocean guardians. As we've seen, our oceans are filled with wonders, from the colorful coral reefs to the mysterious deep sea. We must continue to learn about these incredible ecosystems and the unique organisms that inhabit them. By engaging and inspiring the next generation of ocean guardians, we can ensure the future health of our oceans and the countless species that rely on them. Educational programs, citizen science initiatives, and eco-friendly tourism opportunities are just a few ways we can foster a love and appreciation for the marine world. As we conclude our journey through the captivating realms of oceanography and marine biology, remember that each of us has a role in preserving the wonders beneath the waves. Together, we can make a difference for our oceans and our planet. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating adventure into the depths of oceanography and marine biology. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to The Science Spotlight for more educational and engaging content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world, and let's make waves for a brighter future.